Hello students, now in today's video we will see the last subtopic from the second lesson, Pythagoras theorem. The subtopic is Apollonius theorem, last theorem from this lesson. The statement of this theorem is in triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Okay, that is the Apollonius theorem. In triangle, if M is the midpoint of side BC, midpoint, definition of midpoint is a point which divides the given segment into two congruent segments. That point is called the midpoint. Okay, so here M is the midpoint. Okay, so if M is midpoint, then this segment AM, a segment joining a vertex of the triangle and midpoint of its opposite side, that is called median. This is called median of the triangle. Okay, so sometimes midpoint is given and sometimes in examples median is given. Median, that word is used in questions. Okay, so if M is the midpoint or AM is the median, then by Apollonius theorem this equation will get as AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Okay, this is AB square, this is AC square, 2 times AM square and 2 times BM square, or you can take 2 times CM square also, will do. समझ में आया? तो इस तरह से अपोलोनियस थ्योरम कब यूज करेंगे? अगर कोई एक साइड का मिड पॉइंट दिया रहेगा तुमको और मीडियन दिया रहेगा. ओके, डेफिनेशन ऑफ मीडियन इज अ सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग वर्टेक्स ऑफ द ट्राइंगल एंड मिड पॉइंट ऑफ इट्स अपोजिट साइड, दैट सेगमेंट इज कॉल्ड द मीडियन. ठीक है, कुछ एग्जांपल्स के अंदर मीडियन ये वर्ड यूज हो रहेगा. हाँ, तो उस टाइम पे हमको क्या करना है? अपोलोनियस थ्योरम यूज करना है. अब उसका स्टेटमेंट कैसे याद करेंगे, उसका इक्वेशन कैसे याद रखेंगे? ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए सी स्क्वायर. तो जो वर्टेक्स में से तुमको मीडियन ड्रॉ किया रहेगा, जो वर्टेक्स में से मीडियन ड्रॉ किया रहेगा, बराबर है ना, तो वो वर्टेक्स में से ट्राइंगल के जो दो साइड्स निकले उसके स्क्वायर के एडिशन लेना है. दैट इज ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, फिर मीडियन का स्क्वायर लेके उसका ट्वाइस 2 टाइम्स ए एम स्क्वायर, और उसके बाद में थर्ड साइड के जो दो पार्ट्स हुए उसमें से एक हाफ पार्ट लेना है. दैट इज 2 टाइम्स बी एम स्क्वायर. ओके, अब उसका यूज करके कुछ एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग. प्रैक्टिस सेट फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.2. First example is in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of QR. Point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, PS is equal to 13 and PR is equal to 17, then we have to find this whole length QR. Whole QR we have to find. तो ये टाइप का एग्जाम्पल अगर गिवन रहेगा, sometimes median midpoint is given और sometimes that PS is the median, ऐसा यूज हुआ रहेगा क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है, तो दोनों टाइम पे हमको क्या करना है? अपोलोनियस थ्योरम यूज करना है. ठीक है, अब उसको कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? देखो सॉल्यूशन. इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर, इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर, दिस पॉइंट एस इज द मिड पॉइंट, is the midpoint of QR, side QR. Therefore, segment PS is the median. Is the median. Okay, and therefore, by Apollonius theorem, therefore by Apollonius theorem. अब अपोलोनियस थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट कैसे लिखेंगे बोलो? अब वर्टेक्स P में से क्या हो रहा है? मीडियन ड्रॉ हो रहा है ना, तो P में से निकलने वाले ट्राइंगल के दो साइड्स, दैट इज पी क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस पी आर स्क्वायर, दैट इज पी क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस पी आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स फिर मीडियन स्क्वायर, दैट इज पी एस स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स क्यू एस स्क्वायर. Now PQ is given, that is 11 square plus PR is given, that is 17 square is equal to 2 times, it is 13 square plus 2 times QS square. 11 square is it is 121 plus 17 square. 17 square is 289, right? 289 is equal to 2 into 13 square is 169 plus 2 times QS square. Just take addition of both the numbers. 9 plus 1 10, 0, carry 1, 9 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 410 is equal to, here it is 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 3, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 times QS square, and therefore 410 minus 338 is equal to 2 times QS square. Now 410 minus 338, it will be 72 is equal to 2 times QS square, and therefore 72, this 2 get divided here, divided by 2 is equal to QS square. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 2 6s are 12, and therefore QS square is equal to 36, and therefore QS is equal to under root 36. To remove this square, taking square root on both sides, and square root of 36 is 6 only. Okay, so this value for QS is 6, and therefore QR is equal to 2 times QS. You can write reason, since S is midpoint. S is midpoint of QR. S is midpoint of QR, and therefore QR is equal to 2 into QS. QS is 6, that is equal to 2 6 are 12. So in this way you can find the value for QR. Okay, सेम टू सेम ऐसे ही जो है वो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल और फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल तुमको क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है. ओके, नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. इन फिगर पॉइंट टी इज इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल पी क्यू आर एस. प्रूव दैट टी एस स्क्वायर प्लस टी क्यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू टी पी स्क्वायर प्लस टी आर square. Here PQRS, this is the rectangle is given, and point T is interior, in the interior of the rectangle, that is given. Okay, we'll make one construction. We draw diagonal PR and diagonal QS. Okay, where they, and we consider that they intersect each other at point O. दोनों जो है वो point O पे intersect कर रहे हैं and join OT. Okay, this is the construction. Now we start solution like this. Since quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle, and we know the property of rectangle, the diagonals are congruent. In rectangle, diagonals are congruent, and therefore PR is equal to, you will get QS. You can write the reason, diagonals of rectangle, and we know the diagonals are congruent. Okay, multiply this equation by half, multiplying half by both sides, multiplying half to both sides, so you will get half of PR is equal to half of QS, say this is equation number 1. Okay, but what is half of PR? Half of PR is equal to half of PR. PR is this. Okay, they intersect each other at point O, and one more property of rectangle is there, the diagonals of the rectangle bisect each other. The diagonals of rectangles are bisect each other, and therefore half of PR is nothing but OP, and that is equal to OR. Okay, and this half of QS is equal to, it is OS is equal to OQ. Okay, say this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, you can write the reason also here. Since diagonals of rectangle bisect each other, diagonals of rectangle bisect each other, bisect each other. Okay, so by that property we can write half of PR is equal to OP is equal to OR, and half of QS is equal to OS is equal to OQ, and therefore from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 में क्या होगा देखो, half of PR, but half of PR is nothing but OP is equal to OR, so you'll get OP is equal to OR, and that is equal to half of QS, but half of QS is nothing but OS is equal to OQ, so we write there OS is equal to OQ. Okay, say this is equation number 4. Sorry, equation number 3, not 4, it is 3. Okay, now in triangle TSQ, in triangle TSQ, where is TSQ? Just see, this is T, this is S, this is Q. Point O is the midpoint. Point O is the midpoint, and therefore this OT will be the median. And if OT is the median, then we can apply Apollonius theorem here. So in triangle TSQ, segment OT is the median, and therefore by Apollonius theorem, therefore by Apollonius theorem we have, क्या मिलेगा अपोलोनियस थ्योरम से? इक्वेशन देखो, अब टी में से क्या निकल रहा है? अपना मीडियन निकल रहा है, तो टी में से ट्राइंगल के दो साइड टी एस क्यू, ये ट्राइंगल हमने कंसीडर किया, देखो ये ट्राइंगल है. ओके, सो इक्वेशन विल बी टी एस स्क्वायर प्लस टी क्यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स टी ओ स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स ओ एस स्क्वायर, है ना? हाफ साइड देखो, टी एस स्क्वायर plus TQ square is equal to 2 times that median square plus 2 times this OS square. Okay, right? So ये हो गया तुम्हारा equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now in second triangle PTR, similarly in triangle PTR, again segment OT is the median. Segment OT is the median. Segment OT is the median. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, क्या मिलेगा इक्वेशन? देखो अभी ट्राइंगल PTR, in that TO is the median, so you'll get TP square plus TR square. So you'll get TP square plus TR square is equal to 2 times TO square plus 2 times OP square. Say this is equation number 5. Okay, and therefore TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. How? Just see on right hand side equation 4 और 5, और दोनों इक्वेशन के राइट हैंड साइड में देखो, इधर 2TO square 2TO square, first term is same, and here 2 times OS square and here 2 times OP square. OS square and OP square from equation 3, OP and OS both are same, both are equal, and therefore right hand side of equation 4 and 5 are equal, and therefore their left hand side will be equal, and therefore you will get TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. You can write here reason, since from 3 OS is equal to OP, and this equation we have to prove that TS square is plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. ये हिसाब से हमको क्या करना था, ये एग्जाम्पल को प्रूव करना था. समझ में आ गया? ओके. Now the next example is, in the figure segment SP is the median of triangle PQR. This SP or PS you can say is the median. ये median है, इसका मतलब point S क्या हो गया? ये मिड पॉइंट हो गया किसका? QR का. ओके, and PT is perpendicular to QR. This PT is perpendicular to QR, then we have to prove that PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. ये हमको क्या करना है यहाँ पे प्रूव करना है. Okay, so we start solution like this. Since segment PS is the median, since segment PS is the median, is the median of triangle PQR, of triangle PQR. This is given, okay, and therefore QS is equal to, if PS is the median, then point S will be the midpoint of segment QR. Point S क्या हो जाएगा, उसका midpoint हो जाएगा, and therefore QS is equal to SR is equal to half of QR, half of QR. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Now in triangle PTS, in triangle PTS, angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. This angle, triangle PTS, right angle triangle is there, in which angle PTS, that angle is 90 degree, and therefore you will get equation as PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square by, yes, by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, right? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, say this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, now we'll prove the first one. PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2. In triangle PTR, in triangle PTR, angle PTR, angle PTR is equal to 90 degree, because in first जो अपने को प्रूव करना है, जो इक्वेशन हमको प्रूव करना है, उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या है, PR स्क्वायर है, और PR दिस साइड is the hypotenuse for triangle PTR. Okay, that's why we consider triangle PTR, and we'll get equation as PR square is equal to PT square plus PR square. ठीक है, reason is same, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so क्या मिला हमको, PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square, that is equal to this PT square keep as it is plus TR, but TR is nothing but TS plus SR, है ना. तो यहाँ पे TR की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, TS plus SR bracket square, since T dash S dash R, these 3 points are collinear points. Okay, that is equal to, you will get PT square plus, now we have to expand this, TS plus SR bracket square. We know the formula for A plus B bracket square. So A plus B bracket square is nothing but A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so we apply that formula. This is our A and this is our B. Okay, so A square means TS square plus 2 times AB, that is 2 times A means TS, into B, that is SR, plus B square, that is SR square. Okay, so PT square plus TS square plus 2 times TS into SR. We apply here formula. Here we apply this formula, A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. ये formula हमने use किया यहाँ पे, TS square plus 2 times TS into SR plus SR square. Okay, now we combine this PT square plus SR square, PT square and TS square, that is equal to, we write here it as PT square plus TS square. Okay, PT square plus TS square plus 2 times this TS, okay, into SR from equation 1. This SR is nothing but half of QR, we put that value, plus again this SR is nothing but QR 1/2 into QR bracket square. This is from equation 1. क्या किया मैंने, तो ये पी टी स्क्वायर प्लस टी एस स्क्वायर, ये दोनों को ब्रैकेट में लिखा हूं, ठीक है। ये 2 टाइम्स टी एस एज इट इज, एंड दिस एस आर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, एस आर इज नथिंग बट हाफ ऑफ क्यू आर, तो वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिया मैंने हाफ ऑफ क्यू आर, प्लस एस आर इज नथिंग बट हाफ ऑफ क्यू आर, ओके। सो पी टी स्क्वायर प्लस टी एस स्क्वायर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, पी टी स्क्वायर प्लस टी एस स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट पी एस स्क्वायर. So we'll get PR square is equal to PR square is equal to, this is PS square because PT square plus T square, PT square plus TS square is nothing but PS square. तो ये दोनों की जगह पे हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, PS square लिख सकते हैं. फिर ये 2 के साथ ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा and you will get TS into QR, TS into QR plus this half into QR bracket square you can write as QR upon 2 bracket square, okay. And that only equation we have to prove, PS square plus QR into ST, this QR into ST, or you can rewrite once more as PS square plus QR into this TS we can write as ST plus this QR upon 2 bracket square. ये हिसाब से ये फर्स्ट का क्या होगा, यहाँ पे तुम्हारा सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट हो गया, ओके. नाउ सेकंड वन इज सेकंड इक्वेशन पी क्यू स्क्वायर, ओके. अगेन इन ट्राइंगल पी टी क्यू, बिकॉज पी क्यू स्क्वायर इज देयर, क्या चाहिए अपने को, पी क्यू स्क्वायर चाहिए. और पी क्यू क्या है, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल पी टी क्यू का वो हाइपोटेन्यूस है, राइट. तो उसके अंदर हम लोग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या कर सकते, यूज कर सकते. तो उसके लिए इन ट्राइंगल पी टी क्यू, इन ट्राइंगल पी टी क्यू, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree, and therefore PQ square is equal to PT square plus TQ square. TQ square same by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we'll get this equation. And that equation we can write as is equal to this pt square as it is, pt square as it is plus tq square. But what is tq? Tq is nothing but qs minus st, right? So that we can write as qs minus ts bracket square, since q dash t dash s, these 3 points are collinear points. So this TQ we can write as whole QS. उसमें से क्या करेंगे, ये TS को माइनस करेंगे तो अपने को क्या मिलेगा, QT मिलेगा. Now expand this, and to expand this we use this formula A minus B bracket square. Yes, remember this formula, A minus B bracket square. It is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so you will get is equal to PT square plus, this is our A, this is our B. So A square means QS square minus 2 times QS into TS plus TS bracket square. TS bracket square, that is equal to, again we combine this PT square and TS square, because in equation 2 PT square plus TS square is nothing but PS square, और वही अपने को चाहिए PS square, right? So we combine them. So you'll get PT square plus TS square. ये हो गए दोनों combine. Then QS square, but QS is nothing but half of QR. So we write that half of QR bracket square minus 2 times QS. QS is nothing but half of QR, right? It is half of QR into half of QR into this TS as it is. TS as it is. So this 2 get cancelled. That is equal to, now PT square, this you can write as from equation 1. This is from 1 के हिसाब से हमने इसको rewrite किए. Okay. Now PT square plus TS square. PT square plus TS square is nothing but PS square. So we write here PS square. Then we write this term, because second term is this, negative term is there. So minus this QR into this TS we can write as ST. Okay, so QR into ST plus this half QR bracket square we can write as QR upon 2 bracket square. Okay, this is from equation 2. This is from equation 2. Okay, and therefore PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. That is the proof for second equation. ठीक है, तो ये हिसाब से हमको क्या करना है, ये एग्जांपल्स को सॉल्व करना। तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा सेकंड लेसन पाइथागोरस थ्योरम जो है ये कंप्लीट होगा यहाँ पर। ठीक है, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो और फ्रॉम टुमारो we'll start the next lesson, that is the circle. Okay, thank you.